Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I am going to talk about past performance. There's a big gap with government cleaning contracts from what you need in order to get the contract. There's like a gap there. And so what can we do to make sure that we fill that gap? And part of the problem comes in with past performance. So depending on the contract, you don't have to have government past performance. You just need past performance. And guess what? The past performance can be something you, as the owner of the company, one of the owner, CEO, president, you can have past performance cleaning somewhere and not underneath your company. So it's kind of titled under new corporate entities. So if you're a new corporate entity, because part of the problem is sort of like when you're looking for credit, it'll say in order to get credit, you have to have credit. So it's like, which comes first, the chicken or the egg? How do I get credit if I don't have credit? Same thing when it comes to past performance. How am I going to get past performance if I can't perform? Get it? So what do we need to do? So first, look under the contract to see if it says anything about new corporate entities. If it does, it may have a clause under there that simply says, if you as the owner of the entity have previous experience cleaning or whatever you're looking to get the contract under, landscaping, any of those type of services under you personally, you can transfer them from that to you, meaning you can put that down underneath as past performance. Now, not every contract has that, so check to make sure that the contract that you're looking at, this particular bid solicitation, not contract, but the bid solicitation that you're looking at fulfilling and bidding on does have that clause in there. It'll simply say that you're able to use previous experience, personal previous experience that you've had that was not under your new entity. You can actually put it under your new entity. The other thing you can look at is, of course, doing subcontracting. That's a great fit. And then there's nothing wrong with doing commercials. If you've done commercial cleaning in any type of area that is similar to the type of bid solicitations you're going after, similar in size, that's what you really want to pay attention to, then by all means, you are able to use this under the past performance for that particular bid solicitation. And one of the great things, don't forget, is you can do some micro purchases as well as other simplified acquisition procedures that may fall under where you don't have to have past performances either. So check those out. Now, if you want to learn more, then make sure you do what? Click to come to the actual free masterclass. I have a masterclass on commercial cleaning and on government. I'd love to see you there. Space is limited, so make sure you register today. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So be safe and take care. Bye-bye.